Each organization has its own obligations to both customers and cross-functional teams. Duration is about quality, so both internal and external parties accept to resolve the issue at agreed time. It is a challenge to set up and measure SLA goals correctly. But how can you deliver values faster? With SLA Time and Report, you can easily define, track, and report your SLAs. Set flexible SLA conditions for any occasion. Choose status, assignee, priority, issue types, and even more to meet customer needs. Monitor SLA goals across Jira Custom Fields. And let your support and operations teams respond more quickly by providing them with more contextual information. Look at trends and analyze data in your projects into views, graph table, and pie chart. Do you want to know more? You can find us on Atlassian Marketplace. SLA Time and Report. Decide on the skyrocketing solutions.